Yeah! Ang laki ng delivery guys na. Isang sako. Actually guys, mga mumurahin lang to. From TEMU. So, anong order pala nito? Si Mrs. Wala tayong magawa. Nakapangalan sa atin. Oh. GM. So, okay. Okay guys, buksan natin guys anong laman nito. So first things first, ano kaya itong black? Ano itong black? Amay! Ka dito. Hindi ko alam to eh.
Pants yan.
Baka, pants.
Pants?
Pants.
Okay.
One. Bilangin mo na natin. Dapat 18 pieces.
18 pieces?
Titil, kabuok.
2, 3. This is the main.
Wow guys. Oh.
Main.
TV.
So, ito bumili kami ng CCTV.
4, 5.
So, ito mga damit pala to. Mga damit.
6,
Damit. Damit.
6,
Susukat natin mamaya.
7, 8.
Kung okay ba yung mga product. Actually, palagi na kami nag-order. Hindi ito mamahalin guys. Baka sabihin nyo, yaman namin na.
10.
I-reveal natin mamaya kung magkano.
11. This is your pants. 11.
Wala, hindi for glass. Ba't
12.
ang dami?
12. It's 3 dirham, 3 pieces. 12, 13.
Tara.
Saan eh?
Mama,
Sa
bike.
light sa bike.
Binila namin siya ng yung lights para sa kanyang bike. Kasi mahilig siya magbabike. Bicycle light. Iti-test natin ito mamaya. Huwag kayong kukurap.
16.
Ayan. Ito yung ano, body reflector ng
This is for MM.
biker. Pag nagbabike ka, ilagay mo to sa katawan mo kasi hinuhuli dito kapag walang ganito. Reflector.
Ay, mga bro. For may dalag ng game.
So ito. What's that?
Bakit may ganito?
Bakit free?
So,
Bakit free?
kailan ka nag-order nito? Anong date? It was on Friday?
Friday?
Friday.
Friday.
Yeah, Friday.
Friday and today is Tuesday. So it's only 4 days. Then the delivery came today.
Wala po,
Fourth
this
day
bike,
today.
oh. Hindi man siya makabike kung wala ganito.
So, alitan. Hindi, ganun.
B2.
Two?
This is 2?
Two.
Yeah, it's for 3, this 2. Ay, wow.
Uy.
Later.
It's like, wait lang.
What?
Hindi,
Muna? Muna?
stand up.
Wow.
Baliktad. Baliktad na.
See?
Wala, oh, baliktad.
Yes.
Ano lang, oh?
This is
Oh,
yours.
It should be like that. Hindi mo natin alam paano ito gamitin. This is the...
No, this is yours. And this is
Like that?
mine. Wala, do not order
Okay.
this one.
Nay, kuan mo, oh.
So, ma-adjust.
Na-adjust.
There's a girl thing, guys. You don't need to see. That one is a boy thing.
So, like that. So,
Oh, I like this.
pag nagbabike ka, may ganyan ka na. Sa likod siguro to.
Ano yan, ano? Yan na.
Okay na.
Anak, pero saka.
So, it's okay. That one, perfect. Oh, dahil ko makita ang doon ka. So, this is
Phone.
electronics. All electronics.
Like,
And I want
Bike.
to look this one.
ako na doon ng bike, ha?
This one is for Papa.
sa nila ina anak. Agoy, agaya, agoy. Ah.
Look pa. Ang cloth.
No?
Ay, anak sa...
Hindi naman na-erase dyan.
Red.
Wow, very nice guys. So ito yung charger niya. Then
It have beep.
It have pipip.
it has pipip. Pero ito yung pipip niya guys, oh.
Pipip?
So,
Beep.
meron siyang busina guys.
Beep.
Meron siyang busina. Hindi mo ka makita pag brigad to.
See?
Again?
Uy.
Ang lakas.
Again.
So this is the light. Wow. Oh, it has blinker
Asa
also.
kung brown nga po?
Blinker.
So this is good for evening talaga na kailangan sa bike.
It's tempered glass also.
Mura lang din to guys. Ganda.
This is for...
So
What's that?
perfect
Perfecto.
ang bike lights at saka yung pipip. Sabi niya pipip.
Okay.
Oh, don't
Pipip
later we will fix it there. Okay?
Pipip.
This one.
Alas, is that what tempered for your phone?
Akong pipipan di mo. 1, 2, 3. Money.
Stop it. Give me the scissor.
Scissor.
This one. This one for me.
It's so big. Mga ito sa bike-bike ba niya?
Later na init. It's very hot. Uy.
Oh, this one is for me.
Yeah, that's yours.
Hirap mo na ito buksan. Camera. So, ito yung room camera guys.
Ah, XL is good for me. Yala, see?
Wow.
Ah, meron siyang
Mashallah.
SD card.
This one is for
So,
Papa.
tapos, meron.
CCTV.
Where's the antenna? Where's the antenna guys? Like this. So,
Oo.
paano to i-screw? Ayan, may screw.
No time pipip.
I-fix to siya sa asan to i-fix? Sa wall? May? Sa wall to siya i-fix na.
Pwede lang sa kuan.
Dikit siyang ganun sa wall. No? Like that. So, meron siyang antenna. So, dyan sa corner sa wall. And it is 360. No?
Bibip.
It's 360 guys. So, ma-adjust mo siya.
Bibip.
Sana mag-work siya guys.
Spider-Man sa...
Spider-Man.
So, paano na siya i-charge?
No. Where's that one? Where's
I-charge
the
siya?
cigar wire? Oh.
I-charge siya? Bago siya ikuha.
Wait, mapuan na siya saksa.
Bibip.
Dapat may extension dito?
Beep.
Dapat gihan na siya ibutang ko.
Hindi lagi.
Beep beep.
Kaya ibutang na yun. Nakasaksak na siya.
Beep. Nay, gamit na eh. Kuan sound.
Yes, of course. So, type C ang kanyang camera.
Dan, I'm doing
So, papakita din natin ito kung mag-work ba ito hindi.
Please.
Sooner. No?
That's
So,
for him.
ayan. Ang brand niya is
Butang na dire, butang itan.
Juan. Si Juan. Kapatid ni Ate Jen. Juan. So, sa review, okay naman.
All items came.
So, hindi po na ito yung phone niya. SD card niya, baka mawala.
Beep beep.
Ayan. Ito yung kanyang Type C, pati ang
Beep beep.
ito yung mga iPhone na ano, casing.
Beep beep.
Ayan, iPhone casing, may mga verses. Oh. May mga verses na nakalagay. Ang ganyan. Basahin natin. A negative mind will never give you a positive life. Wow! Work hard for your dream. No one else will. Beautiful definition. A person who is reading this. Ah, I'm beautiful? Oh no, kaya pala pink. Wag na. And this one is the same. God is so much bigger than our than your regrets, and there's a lot, than your mistake, than your hurt, than your doubt, than your shame, than your fears. Bigger. God is bigger than your past, so it's more on, it's full of hope. Yeah, perfect. That is our God, the only perfect one. So this one is
Tempered glass.
tempered glass. Why it's so many?
Because it's 3 pieces.
Ah.
Same like this. Oh.
3. This is for me.
No, this is for you.
Iuli? Iuli na? Ha? Why you uli?
Iuli ang uban ba?
Why you uli?
Ba i-cover ba? Eh, only one man ang
Ang mura na. Then, these are the straps of the smartwatch. I don't have smartwatch. I'm not wearing. But she is.
She is.
She does.
She does.
She have.
She have.
Me don't have.
Me don't have it.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Ako mayroon na akong para sa akin.
Wow.
Kuray, butang sa mga...
Ha?
Dili manghilabot.
So it's only one?
Boy.
So, this is my mobile, guys. It's almost how many years na itong ano niya? So much gas-gas na here. So, nakita kami ng mga very mura here sa TEMU. So, she ordered for me. So again, this mobile
He did
is already
Android.
7 years? No. It's 6 years.
6 years.
6 years. This one, iPhone 8 Plus. So see, ganyan po tayo katipid ka, ang tawag doon, ka-careful sa ating mga gamit. So, lalagyan na yan ni, di pa lalabas na. New tempered glass. So this one, what is this? The same? 3 also?
Yes. 3 pieces.
3 pieces. And now, it's time to fit my, it's like a slacks, guys. It's very light yung cloth niya, no? It's like umbrella. So during summertime, it's okay. So let me sukod-sukod this like this. Oh,
Don't prepare.
it's nice. Look at that. Oh no, my abs. So it's very nice, guys.
Huh?
Ang ganda mag-walking, magpakyat dito sa gawas.
Ipa-cute pa siya, guys.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
And I'm making pakyat to you only.
Wow!
So when I'm going outside, I will go there
Shush.
just to show up my cuteness.
Hey.
Hey,
Oh.
hey.
Wow.
So this one is super perfect.
Wow.
I love this.
Wow.
Siyempre, mayroon pang isa.
Yes.
Ooh, very nice. This same. Oh, this is for not only for cute. This is for
What?
wow.
Beep. Beep beep now.
This is good for,
Beep now.
you know, when you go to a party and then wearing some, you know, social, making socialize, yeah. Pagpa-social ba, ana-ana. Hindi yung ana-ana, pa-social, ana-ana, social na wearing this. Okay? So, watch out because I will wear this soon. You will see me how I look like. For sure. I will not say anything, but you will see.
Wow. Sana all.
I love this one. Perfect. Sana all. And this one.
Your shirt.
Okay, now it's your turn.
It's your shirt.
Oh, this one is mine.
It's
Oh,
mine.
this is yours.
Yes,
This is yours. Yeah.
Do it.
She will be Maninang Son. Maninang. Maninay. Yeah. So ready na yung kanyang attire. This one?
It's yours.
This is mine. Oh, and this is the couple shirt, the couple polos for that one. So we will. I will be soon a Maninoy too. So we will wear this one. I have to fit this like that. Oh yeah. So you see, partner with umbrella cloth, and I will wear some glasses, and then it will be perfect. So abangan, no, ang mga susunod na kabanata. Oh, you're so smart, Mama. You know my styles. My styles, yeah.
Wow.
See, so look familiar.
Look familiar.
All perfect. All this mine. This is yours.
All this mine?
Ada mine.
Yeah.
Woo, is Lax, Palm Beach.
Oh, ang papa? Ang papa ni?
Palm Beach, guys, huh?
Ang papa ni? Next lagi.
Oh, this is plastic.
That's for our girl stuff.
Which
Ew.
one?
Uy! Ew! Ala! Ipakita.
Okay, it's your turn to
Here.
wear. This one also?
Mine.
Huh? This is yours? Ooh, very nice, guys. Look, the design is so
Amazing.
See, simple,
Just
but
say wow.
what do you call that, Ethan?
Tulips. Stitik.
Aesthetic. Aesthetic. Aesthetic, yeah. The word for Ethan about, amazing things like cute, beautiful. He called it aesthetic. Yeah? Aesthetic. You matter. You are worthy. You are not alone. Of course, we are four. So we are not alone. Plus the Lord our God. Then we're perfect. Yes, thank you so much. To God be all the glory for all this blessing that we have. Although it's only a material thing, but we give all the credit to our loving Father who give us strength, to provide all these things. It's not easy to work as an OFW, especially like us. We are four here as family abroad. Every day we need money, but thank God for the strength, for the good health, for all the favors, because na, diba? Life is so hard, but surviving. To God be the glory once again. And yes, thank you for watching. So yun po yung aming na-order sa Timo. It's not a very expensive, things, guys. You can visit Timo if you want. Makapag-order dito ng mga mura na mga gamit.
AME.
And it's very, affordable. Clothes, house, yung mga gamit sa pambahay, everything, TMEU. Thank you sa rider na deliver, and it's all good. God bless everyone. Bye bye.
Dugay lagi.
Huwag man lagi na rin.